10x your success. RiVirtual Masterclass for Real Estate Excellence. Do you dream of dominating the real estate market? The RiVirtual 10x Masterclass is your golden ticket. Dive into a world of strategic insights, professional growth, and cutting-edge techniques designed to elevate your career and unlock exponential growth. The real estate industry is transforming. Are you keeping up? Traditional methods are no longer enough in today's fast-paced market. This masterclass prepares you to stand out, adapt to market demands, and build a thriving career by embracing innovative strategies. Discover how to spot lucrative investment opportunities that others miss. Learn actionable techniques to identify undervalued properties, flip with confidence, or build passive income streams. Real estate success starts with smart investments, and this course shows you exactly how. Market trends can be your greatest ally if you know how to read them. This module teaches you the art of market analysis. From analyzing supply-demand dynamics to evaluating emerging patterns in property pricing, leverage data to make informed decisions. Relationships are the cornerstone of real estate success. Learn how to connect with industry leaders, build strong professional networks, and maintain lasting relationships with clients. Networking isn't just about contacts. It's about creating collaborators for your career journey. The real estate field demands more than skills. It demands trust and reputation. Learn how to craft a personal brand that draws clients to you. From your online presence to client interactions, create a professional image that sets you apart from competitors. Harness technology to revolutionize your processes. Explore tools like CRM systems for effective client management, social media marketing for lead generation, and virtual platforms to showcase properties. Leverage tech to optimize your workflow and expand your reach. A great negotiator doesn't just sell, they create win-win situations. This masterclass teaches you the secrets to negotiating effectively. Learn to build client trust, understand their needs, and finalize deals that benefit everyone involved. Real estate isn't just a career, it's a wealth-building platform. Discover the principles of financial planning and how to diversify income streams. Whether it's rental properties, joint ventures, or portfolio development, this course is your guide to financial independence. Nothing beats practical inspiration. The RiVirtual 10x Masterclass is packed with case studies and success stories from thriving real estate professionals. Witness their journeys, challenges, and achievements, and apply those lessons to your own career path. The key to 10x success is consistency. Beyond lessons, this masterclass empowers you with tools to maintain growth. Gain a system for continual improvement so you're always ahead in an ever-changing market. Your real estate career deserves a breakthrough. Enroll in the RiVirtual 10x Masterclass today to unlock game-changing strategies, build powerful networks, and create a career you're proud of. Don't wait for success. Go create it. The time to transform your future is now.